Well, hello, everyone. This is Wilson Cole, and I'm president of backdoorhires.com and, of course, Adams, Evans, and Ross. And I want to talk to you guys about what do you do when you find a backdoor hire, and what's step one, what's step two, what's step three. And the first thing that you want to do is to confirm that it is a backdoor hire, and then to confirm that they were hired within your possessory period. If you presented somebody 3 years ago and they were hired last month, yeah, you probably don't have a claim. But if you presented somebody 3 years ago and they were hired 6 months after that initial presentation and you just found out, statistically, you probably are owed a fee, assuming that you have the proper paperwork or at least the proper documentation. So step one is to make sure that they were hired within the process or within the possessory period. Step two would be to reach out to the company and say, hey, congratulations for hiring, Jack Smith, Betty Smith, whomever. And here is an invoice. Please let me know if you have any questions. I can tell you half of the time that there's a backdoor hire, your client's going to pay you. They may have been trying to walk close to the edge, or it could just be simply the left hand didn't know what the right hand was doing. So give them the opportunity to pay, send them the invoice. And third, if they come back and they tell you, hey, yeah, we owe you, let me look into it. Gee, we didn't realize that we owed this. Can I pay you half now and half next month? I would be the first one to tell you, take half now, take half next month, go ahead and move on. Salvage the client, keep from having to pay collection fee. But if they come back and they say, I am not going to pay you because, it does not matter what that because is. You just need to stop talking, whether it's to get Adams, Evans, and Ross involved or whether it's to get in your local attorney involved. You need to go ahead and step up. But prior to what to do when you find backdoor hires, you have to have a system to find those backdoor hires. If you're just going to bank on occasionally I'm going to stumble across it, yes, you will find some backdoor hires. The problem is you're probably leaving 1 or 2 placements a year out there that you're not getting paid for. And so whether you're utilizing backdoor hires, whether you're utilizing, phone screening where you're calling over, tracking them on LinkedIn's going to find about a third of them, in my opinion. The other 2/3 are just simply not going to update LinkedIn or remove you from their connections and do some things to kind of block you on that. But you need to have a system that you follow religiously. Or you can go the alternative route, and this is why we created Backdoor Hires to have it done automatically. And for a few $100 a year, if you're a multi-desk company, we can track everybody. If you're a single desk, for the cost of a nice launch out, we can make sure that we track all of your candidate for about $67 a month, plus a finder's fee if you find somebody that you actually get paid on. But you need to have a process in place. So step 0 is to have the process in place. Step number 2 is to keep track of candidates and reach out to the company if they have backdoor hired you and give them an opportunity to pay. And then if they tell you they're not going to pay, it doesn't matter what the reason is. You need to go ahead, whether it's getting Adams, Evans, and Ross involved or your local attorney, you need to step into them. If you'd like to visit it with us about a collection, go to staffingdebt.com, book an appointment with myself or one of our staff attorneys. If you'd like to see the demo on the backdoor hires, go to backdoorhires.com, and then you can book a demo, and our people can walk you through exactly how this system works. Thank you. Hey guys, it's Wilson again, and this video was brought to you by Backdoor Hiring Solutions. And if you like the content, make sure that you click the like button. And also, if you want to receive additional videos, then please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to learn more about our software, please visit our website at backdoorhires.com. And then also, if you'd like a copy of my free book, The Top 9 Excuses, please click in the video notes below, and there's a link where you can get this book absolutely free. Just simply pay for shipping and handling. Thank you.